Governor, your next question comes from Ryan Terranelli of the New York Law Journal. Ryan, your mic is open.
Great, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. So yesterday, your personal attorney, Rita Glavin, suggested that she had information that would call into question Charlotte Bennett's credibility. She did not specify what that information was or provide any evidence. Ms. Bennett's attorney says that might raise to the level of post-employment retaliation. What do you make of that? And why do you think it's appropriate for your attorney to make those remarks without providing significant evidence to back up the claim?
Yeah, I don't want to get into Albany politics, which is what has been going on for the past few months. This is about a storm briefing to save lives of New Yorkers. But you're the Law Journal. If you think justice is to accept a complaint from a person without investigation and without credibility determinations and without looking at past actions of that person, then you don't know what the justice system is. You've never been in a situation where you just reiterate complaints and you don't investigate them and you don't say whether or not the law even applies to them. That's not justice. That's a bulletin board posting complaints. Justice is, I hear the complaint. We welcome everyone to come forward, and that takes courage and that takes bravery. But we need to know the facts, right? I can make a complaint about you today. Maybe it's true, maybe it's not true, but that's why they do investigations. New Yorkers, please take this storm seriously. I know it's short notice. Think Superstorm Sandy. That was a Category 1. This is a Category 1. Hopefully, we don't come anywhere near the damage of Superstorm Sandy. But we do not know. And as I sit here today, I cannot tell you, and none of the experts can tell you, whether or not the damage is going to be less or more than Superstorm Sandy. It depends on how fast the storm moves and where it goes. And we will be working around the clock, and we'll do everything we need to do to be prepared. As I said, this team has done this numerous times. We have more equipment than ever before. We have more personnel than ever before. But I can't substitute for intelligent action by New Yorkers. And I understand the instinct of we're going to shelter in place. Maybe the weather forecast is wrong. I don't want to leave my home. I can't tell you how many people I have, in the middle of a storm, helped out of a house, carrying everything on their back through floodwaters, with their children, putting them into boats in dangerous situations, and people saying to me, I should have left yesterday. I should have left yesterday. Please, please don't make that mistake. We'll update you constantly. And if there is a change and there's no rational causality to you leaving your house, I will tell you that. But we know what happened in the Catskills. We know what happened in the Hudson Valley. We know what happened in Long Island. We know what happened in the low-lying areas in Queens and in the Rockaways. We've seen this movie. We don't need to see it again. Please act responsibly. Thank you very much.